What's going on, everybody? Today I have a lot of stuff planned. I know I haven't been super active. I just got over getting my wisdom teeth out, so I really haven't been doing much with the cars. But today we'll be working on the Acura RSX. Anyway, this is my 2004 Acura RSX with a K24 swap from a Honda CR-V, so that's the K20A1. I got the A2 actually under here in case the A1 blows up. But yeah, so it's an all custom turbo kit, all custom manifold with the turbo and the headlight, custom charge pipes. So we're gonna start with the most complicated thing, and that's this fuse box relocation. I originally had a bracket built for the fuse box to sit right here behind the bumper, but with the size of these tires and wheels, and not to mention I blew one of these boost pipes off, which actually broke the bracket and blew my fuse box off. So I figured the bumper is not the safest place for the fuse box, so I'd like to relocate it. I've never done anything like that, and the only thing I might have to change is, crap, this thing has headlight wires on it. Probably a lot of stuff, but I'm done with it right here. I can't take it anymore, and I'm too worried about it all the time. But if it's inside the car, then I don't have to worry about it. It has been 5 hours. All that's left is this harness needs to be ran. And then let me show you what I'm doing inside here. And so inside the car, I have all of the fuse box wires ran in that loom right there. That's going under here, and I'm just gonna have the fuse box right there. I was able to relocate the fuse box to right here, but this works fine, and best of all, it's free.
Никогда не было настоящих друзей в старой школе. Мы надеялись, что приехав сюда, она сможет... So far the car is running really good. The only thing is it feels pretty slow. You know, I put the lighter spring in and it just doesn't feel as fast as it was when I was making 30 pounds. Still pretty fun. So that's a wrap on the RSX for now. Got the fuse box relocated, got some stronger hose clamps on. Some things I'm gonna have to look at is getting that digital dash working, because I haven't quite got it to work just yet. Here's the lights I installed too. Oh man, those look sick. Looks really good, man. I'm really happy with it. Well, I need you guys to tell me which color looks the best. I got purple. Let's try pink. Okay, all right, pink might be the one. Let's see, red. Red kind of looks neat. Let's try blue. Blue's cool. Green. Also very cool. Orange. Oh, clear. Oh, clear. Clear looks cool. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.